sir. The meaning is a carnival performer who does disgusting acts, a person with an unusual or odd personality.
So first download those in CMD using pip install Dictionary. Pip install PINX3. Feel free to pause the video or follow me for more tutorials like this.
Which word do you want to find the meaning, sir? The meaning is a characteristic state or mode of living, the experience of being alive, the course of human events and activities, the course of existence of an individual, the actions and events that occur in living.